Hey guys, and welcome to Tech Particle. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Rise miniBOOM wireless speaker. So, let's get into it. So here's the box. It's a fairly nice, small, high quality box. It just slips out like that, so that's nice. It has the product on the front. It's a sphere looking thing. It shows some branding. On the back, it actually tells a little bit more about this. It says fully charged in 2 hours and enjoy for up to 4. So obviously, since it's small, it doesn't last a long time. And you can pair 2 of these if you buy another one to have more like a surround sound experience. You get the speaker, a USB charging cable, a user manual, and like a fastening cord or a lanyard or something. With that being said, let's actually take a look at it all. So here is the speaker. I've connected the lanyard to it, and it's a very small. It's in the palm of my hand for perspective, but it's very high quality feeling. It's metal. It's sturdy feeling. The cord's nice. It's not too heavy, but not too light to make it feel super cheap. So it's very high quality feel. I respect that. There's not much to see on the actual speaker. There's the logo on the front. The top is the speaker, so it's not a surround sound experience just with one, sadly. The sides are all metal. The bottom is where your single button is, and there's a USB port there as well. Holding the power button is what turns it on, and I think you can do various other controls with it. Here is the manual, and like I said, it comes with a cord, but I don't have it here right now. There's a LED indicator to show if it's charging or if it's on. So an overview, limited features on this because it's pretty small. It only has one button and one charging port and an LED light, but you can use the single button to do a few different things. The design, once again, very high quality. It's too bad the speaker wasn't surround sound, but very high quality speaker. That's awesome. It's nice to have this lanyard. It's high quality as well. So design, high quality feature set. It would be nice maybe if there was a couple more buttons. But let's see how this sounds. So I'm going to turn it on. And blue lights are at the bottom. And that first sound you heard was it turning on. And the second was it was pairing to my iPhone. So we don't know what it sounds like until we try it out. Here is Limitless by Electronomia. Copyright free music. And here it is, pretty quiet. I think it sounds pretty well like this. Let's turn it up. So as you just heard, it can get very loud. That's pretty impressive. I really like that. So one thing I have noticed though is when it's at high volumes, it sometimes doesn't sound the greatest, which is not a unique thing to this device. A lot of audio products have that problem, but I think it does very well for the fact that it's so small and that it can get so loud and sound fairly good even when it's loud. As you can hear for yourselves, and as I heard, I think this sounds pretty good. Obviously it depends on the song. Songs with bass heavy stuff, this isn't going to sound as good. It's such a small profile. You'll need bigger stuff for that if you know much about audio products. But I think this sounds pretty good. I've been impressed. Overall, this has grown on me a lot since I've gotten it, and I've used it a fair amount. So taking a look at overall features, design, sound quality of this device, I would recommend it. It's a pretty cool little speaker. I like the small size. I definitely like the design. It has a high quality feel. Not super light, plastic cheap feeling, but it's not heavy and gonna weigh you down. It's a high quality metal, and the bottom is a rubber base, so you don't have to scratch it or let it slide on stuff. I like the lanyard. That's great. It has that, so you don't drop it as likely. The thing some people might want is a different button situation, but since it's so small, I can understand why they don't want to put them on the side and they just wanted to use one big one. But it might be nice to have a few small ones that you can have more control with, but I don't mind too much. I use my phone to control the audio, not speakers too much, so I'm not too opinionated on that. But it would be nice if this was a more surround sound experience and not just on the top. Other than that, great design and high quality build. As for the sound quality, like you just heard me say, I think it has a good sound quality. Sometimes at high volumes you might not have as well. Same with bass songs, but with the song we just heard, it sounded really well. So I haven't got to try this with another one like in a surround sound. I would recommend this, and if you like this video, please leave a like, comment any questions you may have, subscribe for more content, and thank you guys so much for watching. Goodbye.